Hi folks, Mike Reed with a quick video recap for trading on Tuesday, January the 9th. Alright, we had a gap up open at the new all-time high territory that poked 2 ticks above our resistance at 52.53. From 53.5, we had it ran up here. It was a little bit of a stall, and it came right down. And we were looking for, this was a target down here to fill the gap at 48, 48.5, 48. It was also initial resistance zone. Came down and tagged that exactly. Bounced back to exact same high. Came back down again, made a double bottom at 48 here. With a double bottom at 48 and turned up, didn't even stop here. Kept right on going, right on to the next resistance zone, which is at 57.5, 58.5. This is a 58.5 high. A little pullback here, a bounce, another pullback to 55 area. So there was a little bit in that for scalping. This was a better trade on the long side, still going with the momentum. But from here, we had a pullback to a dynamic support. We ran up here. We were going sideways here, and then with the uptrend, we had to come back and break through this zone to get a reversal attempt. Didn't happen. Popped above 58.5 and held it. We were holding this, and it had the door open for one last move, possibly up to 62. But what happened here was they went up here and then an instant reversal after this token higher high. Then we finally broke. When we broke 58.5 and came down here, this is what started it. We took out 58.5. Quick bounce back, you see this tail, a rejection again. Came back here, now when we got our first drop down. Came back down and tested the, this was 53.5 pullback. They tested the 53, 52 zone, bounced back to resistance again, and here at the end of the day, we're going to end up closing under the 52, 53 zone, and it's going to finish the day. We do have short positions on, just FYI, for our members. Actually, we had entries up here. We have good entries in this zone, and sets the stage for this parabolic move to maybe unwind a bit. So, hope you guys have a good trading day today, and have a great trading day tomorrow. If you think these numbers will help you out in your trading, by all means, come join us. TradeStalker.com. Have a great trading day and a great evening.